So to start my sunflowers, I'm gonna need yellow, a golden kind of yellow color, yellow orange or orange, any just little range of these colors. Some different color browns. If you just have one of each, that's also totally fine. I got a bunch of greens out here and a little bit of sky blue, and maybe I might add clouds, I'm not sure. So I have my white and my gray ready. Let's begin. Now, when we build our sunflower field, I'm gonna make some sunflowers that look pretty big, and that's gonna make them look closer to me. I'm gonna have some medium ones that will look like they're kind of in the middle ground, and then I'm gonna have some small ones, and those are gonna be in the background. They're gonna look like they're far away. So we have sunflowers close up in the foreground and smaller ones in the back, which will be farther away in the background. Got it? Got it? Great. I'm actually gonna start with the center of my sunflower, and that's gonna be right about here. I wanna make sure I plan out with my finger before I start drawing. So what I'm gonna do a few circles. Oh, that's pretty big. And I'm ready to go. And I'm just gonna go around and around. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then I'm gonna fill that in. But I'm actually gonna fill it in from the outside, and notice how I'm kind of going out of the lines. That's to give it that kind of bumpy texture that is in the middle of sunflowers. I'm starting with a pretty light brown or medium brown here, and I'm gonna go over this with the dark around the edges. I'm pressing harder to get it a little bit more pop in there. Do that to the inside as well, but I left a little bit of contrast there on my first layer, and now I'm going to blend over them both. Time for the petals. You might notice this part of my page is pretty short, and I wanted to make a big flower here, so I want to make sure I can go off the page, so I'm going to get myself a piece of scrap paper to go underneath. There we go, much better. Now I'm gonna draw all the way off the page so I have nice big petals. I'm gonna start with my lightest yellow first. I think that's a good length. Always measure how you wanna put your petals there. It's up to you. Smaller petals are fine, bigger petals are fine. I'm gonna do kind of like medium-ish petals. So curve down at the point, curve down. Now for me, I find it much easier to turn my page as I go. You do not have to. If you can do this without moving your page, awesome, you rule. If not, you also rule. Notice how I'm coloring onto my scrap paper, but those petals aren't actually on my flower, or on my main paper rather. That's fine. Alrighty. I'm pretty happy. But before I move on, I want to make a background layer of petals, and I want to do that with a different color. I'm going to use my dandelion. You could do yours with a yellow orange if you want. That was not really going to be anything. Boom, boom. I think that's about, yeah, I think I'm good there. Now I'm going to go back to my regular yellow, and I'm going to color these in. All right, let's do it. The background petals, and we're not done yet. I know I didn't put one there. I didn't feel like it, and that's my choice. To make them stand out a bit more, I need to add more color. I need to add more contrast. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this dandelion on top of my original yellows, and I'm gonna outline the petals again. Now, if you wanna start this way and just have the dark outline first, totally your choice. I like the way it looks blended over it. I'm gonna add some contrast towards the center, towards the edge, the ends of the petals. It's very subtle for now, but I'm gonna add even more as we go. I just like the difference it shows. It's kind of adding a little bit of value, giving my petals some depth, which is always lovely. I'm gonna transfer over to my yellow orange, and I'm gonna add just a little bit. See how my petals are giving a little bit more texture now? I dig it. To any of my 4th grade friends watching, you may remember this technique using our oil pastels. Y'all know I'm all about layering and blending because it's my jam. And I'm gonna do the same thing back here using my yellow orange, or if you used yellow orange for your background petals, what's the next darkest color that you could use to show some contrast? If you guessed orange, you are awesome, you are right. And if you didn't guess orange, you guessed like red orange or something, I think that would be awesome, and you're still awesome as well. We're all about awesomeness. Let's see what happens if I add a little of this regular yellow orange to some, like one part of my petals. Oh yeah, that's wicked. Super red. I think I'm cool. I think I'm done. Now, if you're looking at this and you're like, I think sunflowers are much, much darker in the center. Take that brown crayon, have a ball. Go back over the middle. If you want to get even more into it, grab a black crayon and super gently add a little contrast this way. But I'm doing this very gently. Remember, you can always add more darkness by pushing harder, but once you press really hard at first, you're stuck with whatever you get. So start light and work your way back. What do we think? What's this paintbrush doing in here? Oh, I'm sorry. Anyways, what do we think? I'm feeling good. I'm gonna move this big, large paper out of my way because I don't need it. But I think I'm ready to do my middle ground and some background, babies. So here we go. So now what we're gonna do is add some stems. I make mine, double thickness and then some really long leaves and just color them in carefully. Also, totally feel free to use different color greens for overlapping and just for different stems. Add some variation. Now I'm just gonna add a horizon line in the back behind my sunflowers and just fill in my grass. You do you. You can add a few more little long blades. You can make it smooth. This is totally your choice. Now for the sky, I think I do want some clouds up there, so I'm gonna start, it's kind of hard to see, but I am coloring this white first. I'm gonna add just a little outline of gray. And the rest, I think I'm ready for some sky. Sunflower field.